Local unrest structure detected.
No!
Assembled
What the hell are you saying, Mother?
Best he do is
You can't give me a pen and a bit of paper and said draw. Gambling! Oh, dang it! Check your privilege. You tap now. Why are you scared?
version with a baby-sized dick! I hate this stupid phone I got!
Station was raided, but there's others up ahead.
That's why I ain't been doing no more videos! I post videos and stop!
You are now charged with socio-endangerment. Cease immediately.
I just lost my jaw.
I'm not a dropship. What are you talking
Hey guys, whoever wants to smoke some babies behind the bleachers with me, raise your hand.
here without a license?
Actually,
Quite a lot of licenses. Nothing ridiculous.
You hacking into the system?
Somebody's just sitting in this house.
Protection team alert. Evidence of anti-civil activity in this community. Code. Assemble. Scan. Contain.
You know what the bubble is? Black hole. Coordinates.
Blow it.
Monkey attacks
My name
monkey
is
people.
Sigma. I like Ohio, Skibbity Toilet, and cats.
Mr. Cool, I'm going to be your Italian teacher for your sophomore year.
Hi, you guys must be new to town.
You know.
Before I contract something. I don't think it was. Some of us just passing by.
Now that I'm explaining
She got some cheeks on.
Ernie, do you have any last words?
With the lemon!
We're going in. We don't need a gun. I'll just blow them down with my words.
Number 4. Bullets in hot dog.
Because we're gonna be embarrassed. We play like a relegation team.
Get in here, hurry. Civil protection is on to us. We're tearing up the railroad, covering our tracks. They're calling in every CP unit in City 17. Now they're flooding the areas up ahead with manhacks. You better get going before they sweep through.
Hey, Mommy, I'm a baby wavy. I want Mommy Wammy to give me white sauce from her Juggy Wuggies.
Damn it!
That was a close call. Thanks for your help. Look, it isn't safe here. I'll give you some supplies.
Watch me ride that horse, Hoover.
You're like...
Oh, wow, you're so nice to me like this. Sure hope you aren't thinking violent thoughts about me.
Yourself now. 5 seconds. Every time.
Sorry, I'm gonna have to get Dumbledore. Wait till Dumbledore finds out what we did. We'll be in big trouble.
Yeah, what? He likes me? You shocked by this revelation?
And citizen reported lost
Tell me. Looking for tools